Hi, my name's Nick DeMarchis, and I'm a first year here at Bucknell. We here in Lewisburg have a few traditions, and first night is no exception. On a cold, snowy Thursday night, members of the class of 2022 descended upon Rook Chapel to continue a years-long tradition. We heard some inspiring words from our class leadership.
No matter whether you feel you've grown a lot, a little, or none at all, it is imperative that you recognize where you are.
But among everything that we have already experienced, we hold on to the most unforgettable things that Bucknell has given us that'll move forward to the future with us.
We saw our class book unveiled, which had dozens of photos from our first semester. We also saw our new class logo and motto, ambitious individuals with curious minds and passionate hearts fostering creative solutions. The Alumni Association showed us what Bucknell means to them. We sung the university alma mater, and President John Brothman gave us advice as we move forward in our time at Bucknell. It'll be difficult to forget a night like this. Seeing the class together, looking towards the future makes me excited for the rest of my time here at Bucknell.